Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce moments in China. As I had promised you more content from this event, which was the exhibition of technology and education in civil aviation. As you can tell, there were a lot of drones, futuristic drones and air taxis like drone cars, amongst other things, were the aviation industry equipment and technology. It was an interesting event to attend, and as someone who's not really involved in the aviation industry, I got to learn a lot more about the aviation industry, aviation products, including drones that I hadn't seen before. So if you want to know more about the future of air taxis, the future of Chinese aviation technology, the future of drone technology, I recommend you subscribe to this channel, drop a comment below. Also follow this channel, as I'll be showing you more drones that I saw at this event that could be used for commercial, domestic and rescue missions. So I recommend that you follow my channel, as I'll be visiting more exhibitions to try to source future products. Thank you for watching.